Well, Nishikori is an amazing player now, so he's playing so good.
He's been, playing great again, and I think he's in great shape.
I need to play my best if I want to have any chance now. That's what I need to do if I want to be very competitive.
If I can play another good tennis, I think we'll have some chance to win.
The stage was set for the 64th edition of the Conde de Godó Trophy, the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell Championship final. Neither player has dropped a set en route to their 10th career meeting, Nadal with an 8-1 head-to-head advantage.
It should be a mouth-watering affair. Two-time defending champion Kei Nishikori looking to win this 500 series event yet again. He hasn't lost a match in 14 here. And Nadal also on a run of his own, looking for a 10th match win in a row.
In sunny spring conditions, Nadal chose to serve first and made a strong start.
He's found the line again. 2 in a row from Rafa Nadal.
The pair exchanged breaks in the 4th and 5th games, but a confident Nishikori was starting to find his rhythm.
This is just incredible tennis.
Well, did so well there to turn defence into attack, because he was really under the cosh in the early stages of that rally.
Not only his rhythm, but pinpoint accuracy as the number 2 seed continued to hold serve.
He's got it right onto the baseline.
Lovely combination. Both shots have to be sweetly timed. The drop shot initially was a little heavy-handed. The lob, absolute perfection.
But a poor service game from Nishikori at 4-5 presented Nadal with his first set point.
It's in. And a wonderful set of tennis is stolen by Nadal.
The reigning champion broke in the opening game of the second set, but Nadal's response was immediate.
Misses. And Nadal breaks straight back.
And with his combination of powerful ground strokes, the 8-time champion earned himself another break point at 2-1.
It's going to feel like a long, long way back for Nishikori now as Nadal breaks again.
The balance absolutely right there. Dominating, not taking any undue risks, and then choosing precisely the right moment to surge forwards.
But with Nishikori mounting an attack on the Nadal serve in the 7th game, the set would take yet another twist.
Gets it. What composure on the drop shot from Nishikori.
The defending champion served to stay in the match at 5-6, but a moment of brilliance from Nadal would edge him towards the finish line.
Oh, what play! Nadal's on cloud 9. The King returns in Barcelona to win his 9th title.
Well, it was a very close match. No, a lot of games, very fighted. A lot of chances for both of us, but I think I have been solid. No, in the second set, I think I had more chances than him. In the first, for moments, he was playing better than me. No, but it's always when you play against players with this very, very high level, the matches decides in a few moments. No, so I feel happy that I am resisting very well mentally all these important moments.
It's been a record-breaking fortnight for the champion from Spain. Back-to-back titles in Monte Carlo and Barcelona. Congratulations to the 9-time champion, Rafael Nadal.